EBSCOhost is a powerful online reference tool that offers a variety of full-text databases and popular databases from leading information providers. In this tutorial, we look at the features available when reading articles on EBSCOhost. When viewing an EBSCOhost result list, you can filter your results by specific document type, such as academic journals, magazines, or books monographs, using the checkboxes in the left column. Click on an article title to view the detailed record. From the column on the left, you can access all available versions of the item you are viewing. This may include HTML or PDF full text. Using the tools in the right column, you can print, email, save, cite, or export your article, as well as add it to your folder. You can also create a note on the article and save it to your personal folder. Click Permalink to access a persistent link to the article, or click Share to share it via services such as Facebook, Twitter, or Gmail. If enabled by your administrator for HTML full text, you may see the option to listen to your article using the text-to-speech feature, as well as the option to translate the article into one of several available languages. Click the PDF full text link to view the full text in the PDF viewer. You can return to the result list, refine your search, or download the PDF by clicking the links at the top of the viewer. Under Inside This Work, in the column on the right, you can access other articles from the same issue of your source, or choose another issue. The icons on the right allow you to add the article to the folder, as well as email or export the article. When the Adobe Reader toolbar appears, you can print the PDF or save it to your computer. Click the Help link to view the complete online help system.